Hi, welcome to The Shed. My name is Mr. Levy, and this is the One-A-Day Musicianship Challenge brought to you by Bob Rogers Travel. In today's video, we are going to be working on improvisational ideas on an F blues utilizing the 5 notes that are in the melody of Centerpiece. Centerpiece is a great tune written by Harry Sweets Edison that if you're not familiar with, you should go on YouTube and check out some of the other recordings of great artists performing it. I've also linked a play-along video so you can learn the melody. The notes that are in Centerpiece are scale degrees 5, 6, 1, 2, lowered 3. And we're going to be doing this in the key of F. The first time we play through it, I want you to repeat exactly the way I am playing the lick. So I want you to copy the articulation, the style, the inflection, all the little nuances that make it have that jazz sound. After you've done that a few times and you've started to internalize these licks, I want you to go back and instead of call and repeating, I want you to call and respond to what I'm playing. So I'll play something and then I want you to play something complimentary using those 5 notes. All right, let's go.
2, 1, 2, 3.
Now that you've played that a few times, continue to listen to the masters and how they improvise over a blues. These are great exercises for you to work on to get your improvisation chops together. Keep practicing it till you own it, and we'll see you in the shed.